So are you trying to get a keyboard look that's clean like this? Hi, welcome. I've been building keyboards for 6 years, so let's talk about how to get it. So clean looks like this aren't too common, especially if you're buying a brand new keyboard, but it doesn't mean that you can't actually make it yourself. So there's two ways that you could get this. First off, the simple way is that if you already have an existing keyboard, all you really have to do is replace the keycaps. The way you do this is go on Amazon and just buy keycaps that are blank. They can be ABS or PBT or even acrylic if you want, and then you swap them out and you're good to go. The other side that's a little bit more advanced is just designing your own board. So the reason that you want to do this is because you can match the colors of the keycaps and you can have full control of your design. So if you want a full video on that, let me know in the comments below, but hopefully this was helpful, and like and subscribe for more.